Now I'm going to show you how to use the wildcards in different combinations. So these are just a few examples that maybe how you can set up. So say for example, we have apparel men's, then we have apparel women's, and we also have apparel kids. But I want the quick view of these pages. So what I can do is I can go here, go to page, include page, matches regular expression. So apparel. So I will add the filter APPAREL slash, then it is dot and asterisk and slash and quick view. So what the wildcard dot and asterisk does is it shows everything. Dot and asterisk shows everything between these two. So you must remember dot and asterisk is used to show everything. Okay, so we'll click on apply. So it shows apparel men's quick view, apparel women's quick view, apparel kids quick view, hats, men's, everything which is in between quick view. So if you see even here, if you check, it shows apparel men's slash men's plus T plus shirt quick view. So it will show you everything between those, between apparel and quick view. So then we will try another one. Say for example, we want to see Google merchandise. Okay, so we want to see Google merchandise and we also want to see Google merchandise without space, but we want to see only this Google merchandise. We don't want to see the with the word store. So what we can do is we can go and set this up here. We'll come here, include search query containing matches regular expression. I'll paste that here. So what we can do, we wanted to start with Google, so I'll add the caret, and we wanted to end with merchandise, so I'll add a dollar because this is the starting of the string, this is the ending of the string. Then I want to see also keywords which are merged, which is Google merchandise. So what I'll do, I'll put a space and I'll put an asterisk. So I'll click on apply. So once I do that, it will give me both the versions which is with space and without space, and starting with Google and ending with merchandise. So you go back again here. So if you see, we've added caret for starting and we've added dollar for merchandise. So this will give you a proper keyword. Then let's see another example. So say for example, we want okay, Google plus redesign. Then we want apparels and we also want for lifestyle. So what I can do is go here, click on matches regular expression. So I'll put Google uh, plus redesign, then I'll put as slash apparel pipe lifestyle and close. So let's try and see if this will work. So I'll click on apply. So this one we see is giving an error. Let's go back again and see. So when we check this, we see there is a plus sign here. So what we can do is we can escape this character. We'll put a backslash here and then we'll put on apply. So what this does is this escapes the character. So it will show you Google plus redesign, then whichever pages have apparel or lifestyle. So if you see here, all this has apparel and lifestyle, and it has escaped the plus. So that way we can use the wildcards in different combinations. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.